I'm going to share a case study about how we fixed an unacceptable business practices suspension for a client. And actually, what seemed to be the issue at the end of the day was some malicious code, malicious links that we found on their website. And that, I think, is a good example of how sometimes the reasons that Google gives for suspending a website, or really suspending an ad account, are not very clear, because unacceptable business practices has more to do with saying, hey, we think there's an issue with your business model, and that's kind of the examples that Google gives on their policy page. But it seems like at the end of the day, the true issue had to do with this malicious code that was on their website. So let me tell the story of how we fixed this. This business reached out to us. They're a local business. They do phone repair, computer repair, tablet repair, things like that, working with people who bring in their physical devices into their shop. And they've been around for over 20 years. This is not a fly-by-night operation. They have a good presence online built up. They have positive reviews from clients across Google and Yelp and so forth. And again, they've been doing this for 20 years. But they've been using Google Ads for a long time, and they got flagged for unacceptable business practices. And this was really impacting their ability to get new business and show up in search results. So they came to StubGroup looking for help. And so what do? Well, first we walk through our normal process for identifying what could be an issue with a suspension. We do a detailed audit of the ad account. We do a detailed audit of the website. We do a detailed audit of the online footprint for that business, looking for all the potential things that could have caused the suspension, but also, even if they didn't cause the suspension, anything that could prevent Google from accepting our appeal and reinstating the account when we go through that process. So as part of looking at the website, we identified a number of different things that we had the client fix, tweak, make more clear, add more credibility elements, things like that to their website, just to show Google they are legit. And then as part of our scanning, like I mentioned, we came across some malicious links that were on the website that the client had no idea about. And Google, of course, had not specifically said anything about them either. And so we dug into this, actually got access to the client's website, and helped to remove these malicious links from the client's website. After doing that, and after doing all the other updates and fixes that I mentioned across the website and across the ad account, we crafted an appeal to Google, submitted that, and got that beautiful response from Google saying, we reviewed your appeal. Good news. We believe that you are, a worthy member of Google's ecosystem. They don't say that exactly, but basically that's what they mean. And they brought the account back. And the client was incredibly happy because we've restored this source of revenue for them and their ability to advertise with Google, remove this black checkbox from their name. And that is one of the most fulfilling parts of what we do in this suspension recovery space at StubGroup, is fixing issues like this and seeing the real impact that has on our clients' businesses. So if you have a suspension that you need help with, please reach out to StubGroup, stubgroup.com. We'd love to help.